Welcome back to Arc Tutorials. Today I'm going to tell you what is on your mind. Yes, Python is very hard to learn. That's one common thing I hear in my circles, in colleagues, and from all of you. I'm going to bust some myths for you. So yes, let's get started by thinking, yes, Python is very difficult to learn. So why do people think Python is very hard? The first and foremost reason I hear is because of the environment nightmare, which means you're getting lost in Venv or Conda or dependency conflicts, requirements.txt, etc. It's not. Let me tell you that. Only once you get started, you will know that it's very simple, very easy to get started. A lot of people think that you need a PhD in calculus or something to even start with AI. That's not true. The syntax gap. Transitioning from rigid data types or programming languages that you know, like say Java or TypeScript, to Python's magic indentation. People think that's a lot of work, it's very difficult. Also, people think that you are overcomplicating simple scripts with unnecessary object-oriented patterns, modules, etc. People try to memorize every library instead of understanding the fundamental and the logic flow. The best part is getting stuck in the tutorial hell. You all start learning Python by writing hello world and then go nowhere from there. Fear is the only thing that is standing between you and the agentic era of AI. The truth is that Python is the king of AI. Thinking Python is just for scripts, it actually powers the world's largest LLMs. Ignoring the fact that LangChain or LangGraph are Python first ecosystems. Believing you can build high-level AI automation using JavaScript or no code. Clean, readable syntax that mirrors human thoughts, which is much more better than machine code. You will have instant access to the world's powerful AI research. You can use libraries like PyTorch, Pynum, Pandas, and much more. With AI and Python, you can do seamless integration with agentic workflows for rapid prototyping. Let me tell you this in simple words. Python is very easy to learn, but its impact is impossible to ignore. So how do you master Python in the age of AI? You can spend months on Python basics instead of diving into AI implementation. You are learning in a vacuum without applying code to any real world LLM use cases. Don't rely on ChatGPT to write your code without understanding the why. Always start with project-based learning. Build your own simple RAGs bot in your first week. Tools first approach. Always start with mastering LangChain and API orchestration early on. Think in AI terms in terms of agentic thinking, or if you want to become an AI architect. So stop studying the language and start building something useful, start building some business and real-time use cases. So how do you do AI mastery from me? You can stop following outdated courses that don't cover the 2026 AI landscape. I will be showing you daily AI tutorials. I will be building brutally honest UI, live UI cases, real-time cases, hands-on here without editing work. You can learn agentic AI with me right here. I'll be building a lot of AI tools, AI use cases, workflows, all based on LangChain. So that way you can learn Python and LangChain with me here. I'll share you the blueprints. It's up to you to build the empire. Remember, join this channel and learn AI mastery for free with me. Watch me code every day. Watch me implement AI every single day. That way you can also learn and grow. There is nothing stopping you. So join me. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.